Right, tonight, 6 News is here for your health. Damar Hamlin's stunning on-field collapse put a renewed spotlight on sports safety, especially when it comes to children. 60 million kids in the U.S. participate in organized sports, and cardiac arrest is the leading cause of death among young athletes. To take a deeper look into safety measures, CBS News went to an ice hockey rink to find out what parents can do to protect their kids. Watch.
When Damar Hamlin collapsed, Heather O'Donnell says it confirmed her greatest fear. Heather's 10-year-old son Jack plays hockey in Virginia.
It was like watching my worst nightmare. When you get hit in the wrong place, something could happen. No sport is 100% safe.
Can something like we saw happen to Damar Hamlin happen to a kid?
Absolutely. It can happen at any time.
Dr. Corinne Hudson is a MedStar health emergency physician and works with teams like the Washington Wizards and Capitals.
How common is cardiac arrest when it comes to youth sports?
Very rare. But we do know it may happen as frequently as once every 5 days.
Once every 5 days, a cardiac arrest.
Yes. Now, there are a lot of athletes in high school and collegiate sports in this country, but once every 5 days is probably more often than we think about.
So how do parents and sports managers and coaches need to be prepared?
The best way we can be prepared for this type of emergency is to have the training and have the equipment necessary to respond.
That equipment includes an AED, an automated external defibrillator, and if used within the first minute, chances of survival are close to 90%.
Okay, this one says to place it up here, right? While you're doing the chest compressions.
Yep.
We learned how easy it is to use.
Deliver shock now.
That button down there.
The orange button now.
Just say clear and shock.
Okay.
Yep.
Shock delivered.
And then we go back into CPR.
You just keep going?
Yep, just keep going.
Dr. Hudson says parents should know where the closest AED is, always have a way to call 911, ask your coaches if they know CPR, and make sure your school or club has an emergency action plan.
Do you think for most youth sports, the coach or some parent knows how to use an AED?
I think that if they don't, they probably should. You can learn how to use an AED in less than 2 minutes. Anybody can do these skills.
Nora O'Donnell, CBS News, Arlington, Virginia.
Good information. Coming up on 6 News at 5:30.